Hey guys, Daniel here at Cherokee Auto Group, showing you my 2017 Fiat 500. Really neat little car, actually. Fog lights, love the color blue as well. Glass roof. Surprisingly, there's a good bit of room in this little car. Well optioned vehicle. You can hear it running. Runs really well. I kind of was shocked at the way it drove out. Really quiet, smooth car. Dad there in the background, walking the shop. Show the inside here. Leather seats. Pop this up. What you do is come in here and just pull this back like that. It's got a little tab there you pull down, and there's your glass roof. It's not a power roof, so don't want anybody to be mistaken for that. Air's nice and cold. It's got sport mode there. Navigation, as you can see, TomTom, which is super neat. Got the radio here, Bluetooth, all that good stuff like that. Sport mode's neat too as well. It's got the auxiliary and your USB port here. There's your USB. Here's your auxiliary. Just fold those back over like that. Nice and neat there. This car has 10,126 miles on it currently. Pretty nice little car. Want everybody to see it. Really nice on the inside too. Color match dash, really cool there. White leather seats with burgundy stitching. Back seats there. So I'm gonna pop the hood here for you, let you see it. Car runs and drives really good, shifts good, does everything I think it should be doing. I was really pleased with it, which is why I acquired the vehicle. You don't see a whole lot of these out on the road. Kind of a specialty vehicle if you ask me, but I liked it, so I figured somebody else would like it. Then again, I have on taste. So there's the third thing over here. Slide that bad boy into there like so. There you go. Locks in right there. See how that does that? Multi-air engine. Really neat ride. And it pops. It's a little dirty right now. It's been sitting out here in my lot. It's not too long, but I want to do a video, let everybody see the vehicles that I do have, and this one, in particular. So that's her. I do have financing options available as well. If that's what you'd like to do, that's fine. I can be reached 770-345-0282. And once again, my name's Daniel Mosley. Thank you so much and have a great day.